Hey guys, welcome back to Dr. VP Vlogs. You have heard about cough CPR, so you decide to try it out on yourself. Let me make things clear for you. The idea of cough CPR has been circulating in the web for over 20 years and has a slew of information attached to it. The real danger about the misinformation is that it could prevent heart attack victims from getting the life-saving help that they actually need. What is cough CPR? Let's say it's 7:20 in the evening and you're going home. After a very unusually hard day at job, you're really tired, upset and frustrated. Suddenly you start experiencing severe pain in the chest that starts to drag out into your arm and up into your jaw. You are only 5 kilometers from the hospital nearest your home. But you don't know if you'll be able to make it that far. You have been trained in CPR, but the guy who gave you the course did not tell you how to perform it on yourself. So, how do you survive a heart attack when alone? Many people are known to survive heart attacks without any help. A person whose heart is improperly beating and who begins to feel faint has only about 10 seconds left before losing consciousness. However, these victims can help themselves by coughing repeatedly and very vigorously. A deep breath should be taken before every cough, and the breath must be deep and prolonged. And the cough should be very vigorous, as when producing sputum from deep inside the chest. A breath and a cough must be repeated about every 2 seconds without let up until help arrives or until the heart is felt to be beating normally again. How does this work? Deep breaths get oxygen into the lung, and coughing movements squeeze the heart and keep the blood circulating. The squeezing pressure on the heart also helps it regain normal rhythm. In this way, heart attack victims can get to the hospital. Does that actually work? Yeah, it does, but only if the patient is experiencing a cardiac arrest. It does not help if the patient is experiencing heart attack. Yeah, cardiac arrest and heart attack are two different entities. In simpler words, heart attack is a circulating problem while cardiac arrest is an electrical problem. Cough CPR, if done in an effective way, helps to maintain circulation for a minute or two followed by cardiac arrest. But ultimately, only defibrillators help the person if he is falling unconscious. Coming to heart attack, which is a circulating problem, if the patient is experiencing a heart attack for the first time, call the ambulance right away. Do not waste time, as every second matters. If the patient has had previous episodes, chew the aspirin tablet that you have been prescribed by your physician and call the ambulance right away. So, the bottom line is, if you get chest pain, fall faint, feel an irregular heartbeat, call the ambulance before self-medicating or starting on known or unknown procedures. Spread the word. If you like the information, do like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.